Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. We're out here checking out a 4-bedroom pool home inside of Lakeridge Estates. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, right here at 3879 North Chelsea Circle inside of Lakeridge Estates. Great cul-de-sac location, super desirable, popular area in Lake Havasu on the lakeside of the highway. So this one was just listed for $849,999. So Lakeridge Estates does have a HOA. It's 65 bucks a month. No vacation rentals inside here, 30-day minimum, so you can still cater to the snowbird market, just no weekend warriors. All right, let's go on and check it out. All right guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath pool home, 2,289 square feet. Built in 1997. Sits on a big 13,416 square foot cul-de-sac lot. So this one does have 2 master suites. Has kind of this entry right here. That's why I'm shooting it. Wraps around. So this place has been redone. Nice stone fireplace. Plank tile floors. Gas fireplace. Has plantation shutters throughout, big tall ceilings. Looks like they have a double door slider out to the backyard pool area that they're not using. Right, so the living area kind of wraps around into the kitchen. Nice stonework on the front, granite top counters, upgraded cabinets. Pretty good sized dining area. Rock work in the back there as well. Slider out to the backyard pool area. Every little desk area. Nice sized kitchen, stainless appliances. Gas stove. They did the tile all the way up the backsplash, the granite. All the cabinets are upgraded with the soft touch close, and then this kind of wraps around to the entry again, and looks like it just goes down a hall. We're just gonna go check it out. So it looks like you have a master suite off the kitchen here. Pretty good size, vaulted ceiling. Plantation shutters, slider out to the backyard pool area. We have a nice sized master bath, granite tops, skylight, big mirror. Upgraded cabinets in here as well. You have a cool glass door walk-in tiled shower. Toilet has its own door. So we're just going to go down the hall here. Looks like garage door access and indoor laundry. We'll go check out the garage here in a second. So you have a couple more bedrooms off the entry. We're just going to pick one. Nice size. This looks like the other master suite. So you got the second master suite bathroom, pretty much the same as the other one. Granite tops, dual sinks, big mirror, skylight, same tiled walk-in glass door shower. It's pretty much the exact same. one does have little down lights for nighttime, kind of cool. I don't know if you can see that. Have your walk-in closet. So you got the other side of the hall here, on the other side of the entry. Closet. 2 more bedrooms and a guest bath. So you got a guest bedroom. You have your guest bath. Same cabinet, same granite. So you have the 4th bedroom at the front of the house. Plantation shutters in here as well. Little bench seat back there. All right, let's go check out the pool. All right, so you have a 2-car garage. Has a 22 and a 28-foot bay. All epoxy floors, insulated doors. There is a mini split AC unit in here. So you have like a boat deep garage. 40 feet deep, the 10-foot door. Thought this was a bathroom, but it's just a little storage area. Let's go check out the pool. So you have a really nice covered patio, the speakers, can lights, travertine decking, some artificial turf back here. Nice little awning all the way around. You have a cool quartz finish gunite pool. Very nicely landscaped back here. Travertine coping. Have like an aluma wood cover over here. It has power to it, ceiling fan, little sitting area. The fire pit. All your pool equipment, heater, all natural gas. So this whole patio just wraps around, all travertine decking still. And these like canvas awnings are pretty cool. It's like wrought iron. Still have a little bit of side yard if you want to move the fence back. And there's a view deck. We're gonna go check that out too. All right, so you have a pretty cool view deck, has speakers, lights, table, killer panoramic lake views. Super quiet inside here. So you have a really nice lake shot, opening on the river right there. Beautiful day out here in Lake Havasu. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Chelsea Circle. Again, this one was just listed for $849,999. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.